Hey guys, welcome back to Sevenrishi Academy. In this video of our Java tutorial series, we will explore the most important topics, that is Java output. Let's dive in and master how to display information on the console. In Java, we can display output in three ways. The first one is using System.out.print, and inside that write any string or any integer hello. The System.out.print displays the output in the same line. Means if we write another print statement, that System.out.print, and inside that world, and if we run the code, you can see hello world. Means the output is printing on the same line without any gap. And the second way is using System.out.println, and inside that write hello. System.out.println adds a new line after printing the output. Means if we write another print System.out.println, and inside that world, and we run the program, you can see that after this hello added a new line and the world is printed on the next line. So the difference between System.out.print and System.out.println is that this prints output without new line, and the System.out.println prints output with a new line. And the third way is System.out.printf for advanced formatting. System.out.printf, and inside that we can write my name is, then modulo s. Modulo s will hold a string. Okay, so after that comma, and we will write a string, that Saptarshi Mundal. So we created a format that here modulo s will hold a string value and print in the console. So if we run the code, you can see again we run the code. Yeah, you can see my name is Saptarshi Mundal. Printf is powerful for formatting numbers, decimals, and aligning text. Use format specifier like modulo D for integers, modulo F for floating point numbers, and modulo S for string. So printf is for advanced formatting. Java also allows us to format output using escape sequence like \n for new line, \t for tab space. Here you can see that after this hello world, the hello is printed in the same line. If we use here that \n and run the code, yes, you can see that the hello is printed in the next line. And here also you can see that hello and world is printed without any space. If we write backslash t and run the code, yes, here you can see that between hello and world there is a tab space. Now it's practice time. Try this exercise. Write a program that print I love Java using System.out.print, displays your name and favorite programming language using System.out.println, prints a table of 3 items and their prices using printf. Compile and run your code and see if you get the correct output. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update.